fishing with Toby. So I'm going to show you how to tie a basic hair rig. This is what you'll need to tie a basic hair rig for carp fishing. You will need a hook material, some scissors, a swivel and a hook of your choice. First things first, you want to strip 12 inches or thereabouts of hook link material off the end. And if it's coated, you want to strip about 6 inches of the coating off the end. And then you want to tie a loop with using a loop knot. Like. And then you want to cut the rest of the hook link off of your hook link material. So it looks like this. Then cut the tag end off of your hair. Like that. And the next thing you want to do is thread your hook onto the line, just like so. Then you want to lay the hair along the back of the hook and tie a knotless knot. Around about 4 turns should do it. Always going through the back of the hook. Pull it tight. And that's your hair. Last thing to do is just to tie a swivel on the end using an ordinary blood knot. Like so. And that gives you a basic hair rig for carp fishing. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment anything you'd like to see in the future. Thanks again.